Today we are at the spiral tunnels, but we didn't see a train garbage because they're working in the tunnel construction. But we got some display here that we can look it at. The train that goes to the mountain and the spiral going up to the top. It goes back down to the other way. It's right here. Very interesting. Oh yeah, there's the tunnel over there. There's people are working construction. So this is how the thing. Beautiful mountain. Kicking horse. Pass. Will be good for your, you know what? No? Yeah. Yeah, but there's no train coming. See how this one here? Yeah. How the train they come through the tunnel and come out the other way? Very interesting. Railway history. There you go. That's for the train. Look at how deep that's over there. Wow. Must be like an hour going inside this mountain, eh? Okay guys, going back into the bus. When we are in town, you can see this mountain up here, or the ski slope. And there's a kind of marsh. I would not say that's a marsh, it's more like a water. So, it's really good. Everybody